Deirdre here from the Cool Food School. I'm going to make a very simple ice pop that is full of whole foods, and it is a great one for kids, and it's full of protein because it's got peanut butter in it. So this is one of the recipes from my children's cookbook called Chop Cook Yum. Basically 4 ingredients that you may or may not, you might have most of them in your pantry. So into my blender cup I'm putting a banana, simply 1 banana. I'm going to put some cacao powder, putting 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. I'll just check the recipe again because I don't think it lasts long. Yeah, 2 tablespoons of raw cacao. It's going to make it lovely and chocolatey. And then I'm going with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. So I'm using the Meridians, and yes, I haven't washed this, but it's all fine, it's all going the same way. I'm just getting the last bit, the remnants out of the pot. So it's going to go in there as well. Like, this is so easy, this is all it is, basically 4 ingredients. Yep. Have to go in there with a finger. Well, that's done. And a cup of milk. Here's your cup of milk. So this is one of my most favorite ice pops ever. I love it. Never mind the kids. There we go. And we're gonna blend it, and that's it. And you can put it into whatever ice pop holders you have. And that's it, done. Now you could drink this as a smoothie, or you can freeze it. So, oh, it smells gorgeous, look at that. So I'm gonna use these Num Num ice pop bags that are brilliant. I'm gonna pop them in there. There we are, done. Now all we have to do is freeze it. Ice pop time. Delicious. Healthy. Easy. Full of protein. Kids will love them. Chocolatey. Go and make them.